Alright, up next we've got a Belkin router. This particular server only has one network card in it, which is going to be our server address 189. Default gateway is going to be our firewall to the internet 1.1. We're going to open up a browser. Let's go to 1.1. Surprisingly, this one did not ask us for a password. And this is a Belkin. It's a little bit different setup. It looks like a little bit of an older router. So we're going to look at firewall is usually where we're going. Once again, DMZ. Of course, this is where they're asking for a password. Let's see here. Default, leave blank. Makes sense. So all this is saying is going to forward that external address straight to our server, 189. Enable or disable, we definitely want to check that box, apply changes. If that were not an option for whatever reason, virtual servers, we would actually name it. We always want to use TCP and UDP, our internal address. And this port is always your starting port. If you have a range, it's going to actually want the starting port. So we'd have a DVR2 38880. All right, server address. This is a little bit of an older router because I think we actually have to put each port. Which we'd have to do all the same settings on each line. As you can see, it's a lot more of an Intel process versus a DMZ, which is always the preferred method. But we can do it this way if we need to. I'm going to go ahead and cancel these changes. DMZ, address, enable, apply. Easy peasy.